extension MCQs. Communication through spoken words is called vocal communication. Communication through written words is called non-vocal communication. Communication through gestures and facial expressions is called non-verbal communication. Nod of head by a person is an example of non-verbal communication. Use of physical space in communication process is called prosemics. Use of time in communication process is called chronemics. Intimate distance is a physical distance between two persons of range 8 inches. Social distance between two persons 4 to 12 feet. Public distance 12 to 25 feet. Personal distance is a physical distance 1.5 to 4 feet. The communication which occurs between human beings and non-humans. Extrapersonal communication. Self-communication, intrapersonal communication. Communication between two or more than two persons. Horizontal communication. The effect of jargons on communications negative. In communication process, the source tries to change the message or style of presentation in case of negative feedback. Communication can be regarded as effective if it serves the intended purpose, it gains maximum support, it gains maximum feedback. Information flow from bottom to top is called upward communication. When information flows from top to bottom, downward communication. Communication model which show a one-way flow of information from source to the receiver. One-way flow from source to receiver, linear models. Communication model which show a two-way flow of information from source to receiver and back to from receiver to source is called circular models. Communication model which shows an act of convergence of source and receiver toward each other is called convergence model. The name of communication model which mainly emphasize on finding out the truth or reality to its possible extent, Plato's model of rhetoric. Plato's model of rhetoric has number of elements 4. Aristotle model of rhetoric number of elements 3. Aristotle model of rhetoric is considered as linear models. Traditional models of communication were considered as linear models. Shannon and Weaver's model of communication is considered as linear models. These are traditional models. The concept of signal in communication model was introduced by Shannon and Weaver. Barlow's model of communication has number of basic elements 4. Proper arrangements of both message, code and contents is called message treatment. Monitoring is sometimes referred as process evaluation. Evaluation measures the outcomes and impact of a program activity. At what stage of a program should monitoring take place throughout the life of the program? As a general guide, what percentage of a program's budget should go toward M&E 30 to 40%? Which of the following is not considered monitoring? कौन सी monitoring नहीं है? Attributing changes in farm productivity. Through which of the following the results of monitoring and evaluation activities can be disseminated? All of the above: written reports, press release and mass media. The objectives of the evaluation plan should be all of the above: realistic, specific and measurable, appropriate. The traditional monitoring approach is concerned with physical and financial achievements. Zone of concentration monitoring approach concentrates on visits, recommendations, yields. Major purpose of goal-based evaluation approach is assessing achievements of goals. Next है Is the project effective and should it continue are the typical question for decision making evaluation approach. Next, an evaluation which takes place during the life of a program to improve the strategy of functioning of the program is called formative evaluation. An evaluation in which lessons are drawn from a completed program is called summative evaluation. Meta evaluation focuses on evaluation of evaluation. Exonate evaluation carried out prior to start of the project. The evaluation carried out after 1 to 5 years based since the completion of the project called ex post evaluation. Through indicators, an evaluator can ask or answer the following questions: all of the above: who, how many, and how often, how much. Evaluation indicators should be specific and measurable, accurate and realistic, timely. Qualitative evaluation tells us about how much and how many. In qualitative evaluation, which of the following tools can be used for data collection? In qualitative, focus group, category data without order, nominal; category data with order, ordinal data. Qualitative data deals with only description. Quantitative data deals with only numbers only. The data which comes from other studies done by other institutions, it is called secondary data. The sampling technique in which each member of the population has an equal and non-chance of being selected is called random sampling. The sampling technique in which researcher identifies the relevant stratum and their actual representation in the population is called stratified sampling. When the desired sample characteristic is rare, which one of the following sampling techniques is preferred? Snowball sampling. A data collection tool containing written questions that are used to get written responses is called questionnaire. For illiterate farmers, which one of the following tools is preferred for data collection? Interview schedule. A data collection tools in which a group of about 6 to 12 people is interviewed together by a skilled interviewer. Focus group interview. Which one of the following is not a type of interview schedule? Non-focused. Overt is a type of observation in which subjects are aware. Observation is the data collection tool which yield qualitative data. Through test-retest method, which one of the following characteristics of research tool can be checked? Reliability. Validity of research instrument can be measured by consulting with stakeholders. SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Sciences. A quantity which expresses that how much the members of a group differ from the mean value is referred to standard deviation. Results and discussion are different terms. Which one of the following is inferential statistics? T-test. Farm and home visit is classified as individual contact method. Which one of the following is an individual contact method? Office call. Result demonstration belongs to category of group contact method. Which one of the following is a group contact method? Result demonstration. Panel discussion is classified as group contact technique. Which one of the following is a mass contact method? Newspaper. Panel discussion is best for showing varying points of views. A symposium is modified form of lecture meeting. The focus of symposium is on more than one point of views. Brainstorming stimulates creative abilities. Brainstorming is best for generating maximum ideas. Buzz group is a modified form of brainstorming. Which one of the following is classified as print media? All of the above. Newsletter, handbills, handouts. Which one of the following is classified as electronic media? All above. Audio cassettes, news bulletins, video cassettes. The cost per listener of 1 hour radio program is 0.03%. Electronic media were introduced in agri extension 1955 1955. If socioeconomic status of the audience is high, then mass contact method. If socioeconomic status is low, individual and group contact method. If size of audience is small and geographically concentrated, individual and group contact method. If size of audience is large and geographically dispersed, then mass contact method. If extension organization has limited manpower to cover large scale pollution, then mass contact method. If extension organization has sufficient manpower, then individual and group contact method. If the situation is emergent, then mass contact method. Which one of the following communication aids is regarded as only visual aid? Slides. Which one of the following communication aids is regarded as only visual aid? Telephone. Only audio aid is called telephone. Which one of the following communication is regarded as audio visual aid? TV. ऑडियो भी है और वीडियो देख भी सकते हैं दोनों टीवी. पोस्टर इज क्लासिफाइड एज नॉन प्रोजेक्टेड visual aid. Non-projected visual aid. Overhead projector is considered as projected visual aid. Then in 1906 Punjab Agricultural College was established at लैलपुर. ये लैलपुर फैसलाबाद को कहते हैं और या फैसलाबाद को पहले लैलपुर कहा जाता था. 1906 में पंजाब एग्रीकल्चरल कॉलेज बना था. फिर उसके बाद ये तब्दील हुआ था यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर फैसलाबाद में. एग्जैक्ट डेट मुझे याद नहीं है इस वक्त वो कब बना था यूनिवर्सिटी. नेक्स्ट 100 MCQs है. द पीरियड ऑफ गुरगांव एक्सपीरियंस वाज 1920 to 1928.